number 1749.
Be mean to me, I don't care anymore. Unless you want to lose me very quickly. Abby, I know Christian longer than you. I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to kill someone. Hey, listen here, Abby. He don't got much service, Christian don't. So leave him the fuck alone. Hey, Christian don't have much data left, so leave him alone. Everybody fucking join. I'm not fucking playing with y'all no more. Really, you wanna fucking hang up on me? I don't fucking care no more.
Tiffany was going with her brother to drop off her niece.
What are you talking about dropping her damn knees off? What the hell are you talking about?
Hold on, Kirsten.
Said she was going to drop her niece off at a friend's house or somewhere. She didn't say where, but that's why she wasn't going to join back.